Hi students, good morning. Today, perhaps the last class of your software concept chapter, and on this topic you are going to give exam on 13th January. Within 2 days, and last night I have provided the notes, the some part of software, and within 2 days, tomorrow perhaps you are going to get the complete notes regarding this topic, software concept. So, in your last sessions, we had a discussion about application software. And as you know that application software is classified into majorly 3 categories. One is utility software, and second one is the general purpose application software, and last one is the special purpose application software. And utility software, we had discussed that utility software comes along with the operating system and a device driver. You can choose that, otherwise you can buy extra utility software from the market of other vendors. And utility software was there, or utility software is needed by the software environment to make the computer more efficient and trouble free. As you know that in the previous sessions we have discussed about it. And today we are going to discuss about the general purpose application software. So here the general purpose application software. This is general purpose application software. So what do you mean by that general purpose application software? You know that application software is generally required by the user or the programmer to perform a day-to-day job or day-to-day tasks from user's point of view. And system software is needed to perform a task from system point of view, from computer point of view. Here, general purpose application software is required. General purpose application software is needed by the user to do some tasks, and that task is generally done in day-to-day lives. In your day-to-day life, in your daily activities, you can find the uses of this kind of application software. That's why its name is general purpose application software. Most of the cases, most of the times, users, students, office, in a college environment, in business environment, wherever you go, you can see the uses of this kind of application software. That's why its name is general purpose application software. Under this category, general purpose application software, there are some basic softwares, like one is, that is word processor. Is it visible or not? Word processor software. Word processor. One processor software. This is one kind of general purpose software. And second kind of general purpose software is like spreadsheet. That is spreadsheet software. And another type is presentation software. Presentation software. Here one is DBMS, and last one is IDE. So here look at general purpose application software is categorized into these types. One is word processor software, second one is the spreadsheet software, third one is the presentation software, and one is DBMS, that stands for database management system. Here DBMS, database management system, and last one is IDE, integrated development environment. We will discuss one by one. Look at first word processor software. It is very familiar software. In your life also you can most of the time you use this type of software, that the word processor software. If I give the example, then you can know that that is Microsoft Word, or you could generally you can say MS Word. In Microsoft Office, in your Windows operating system, in Microsoft Office, you can see that is the word processor software is there, that's known as Microsoft Word. This is the example of a word processor software. One example. Second example, that is under what Open Office. There is a Open Office. It is a open source software, and this is Microsoft Office is proprietary software. Actually, students, there is a little bit of difference between the proprietary software and open source software, and this type of difference you can get in your next chapter, that open source software is the next chapter. You can find the type of difference between the proprietary software and open source software. So seteବେଳେ ଆମେ ସେଗୁଡ଼ା ବୁଝିବା, what is the proprietary software, what is the open source software. But here word processor software, what word processor software, or what is it? Word processor software is generally facilitates us for creation of any kind of documents, and that document is text based document. What type of document you can say? That is text based document. Text based document. So this kind of word processor software facilitates creation of some documents, and that is the text based documents, and that text based documents is created with some extensive formatting. So some features, some additional features you can find. General features is that it allows you to create a document, it allows you to write some things, and to insert some lines on that document. Suppose here is a page, you open that page and you write here, you can insert some lines here, okay, and it not only allows you to just create a document, just write some letters and insert some lines. It is not the basic fundamental uses of that word processor software. Word processor software also allows us to do some extra activities, like it also allows some new features, like you can change the color of the background of that document. You can also change the color of the text, and you can also it allows the different kind of fonts with different size. You can change your font, means how your text will look like, that is the font. Then you can change the font, and you can also change the size of your text, and you can paste some clip art, like some ready-made clip art that is there. You can use that kind of clip art to design your documents, and it also allows to paste some type of it also allows us to do some type of graphics work. Means in that word processor software, it also allows the graphics activities. Okay, so word processor software, what is the uses of the word processor software? Why you need this, or why we are going to create a document? Why the uses of that document? Generally, in your study lives, in the office, in any business environment, in schools and colleges, you can find some documents that is written, and this type of text based document is essential. And it is also essential to merge some mail. That is the one uses of that is the merging the mail. Merging the mail. The merging, what is the merge? You can join, you can concat, you can join the different mails and create one. And also it is also this word processor software is also writing some stories and writing some thesis, and this kind of software is also used to design some banners and posters. You can create the invitations card and leaflets. So here these are the basic needs of that, or this basic uses of the word processor software. Basically you can say word processor software is a text based software, okay, and this is the basic uses and the requirement of that word processor software. Is it? Now I can give the example, one example, this is the MS Word. This is MS Word, Microsoft Word, that's the MS Word. And second part is that OpenOffice, that's the writer, yeah? OpenOffice. And OpenOffice, students, keep in mind, OpenOffice is a open source software and MS Word is a proprietary software. Basic difference of that open source software and proprietary software is that in proprietary software you need one license, but in case of open source software you don't need any kind of license from the vendor. Without any license, it is open to all, it is free to all from your any websites or from the internet. You can download this kind of softwares and you can use it without the permission of the vendors. But in case of MS Word, Microsoft Word, you need the permissions, you need any kind of authorizations, you need any kind of license for using this Microsoft Word. Without the permissions, without the license, we cannot use this MS Word. That's why Microsoft Word is a word processor software which is a proprietary software, and writer is the open source Office. But OpenOffice you can say that OpenOffice is a open source software. एटा गोटे ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर जोटा कि मार्केट रा अवेलेबल, हमको लाइसेंस करबा को आवश्यक करे नाही, विदाउट एनी परमिशन वी कैन यूज, इट इज फ्री टू ऑल, हम समस्त पई एटा अवेलेबल. बट MS Word इज नॉट अवेलेबल टू ऑल, इट इज नॉट फ्री टू ऑल. तुमको एबाटे किछ पैसा खर्च करिकि एको किनिबा को पड़िबो, यार लाइसेंस करिया को पड़िबो, देन यू कैन यूज दिस वन. एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू नीड द permission from the vendors to use this type of software, and this software is not the proprietary software. Clear? It is the basic difference between the proprietary software and what? Open source software. Next class we will I here details padiya. And the second part is come to the point. Okay, it's cover. So author mu कहूची student, word process of software गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर साधारणतः जो जगह आम कौन करती किसी डॉक्यूमेंट तैयारी करती, टेक्स्ट बेस्ड डॉक्यूमेंट, आम किसी लेटर्स, स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स, किसी नंबर्स आम यूज करिपरिबा, आम से डॉक्यूमेंट तैयारी करिबा. आम लेटर कौन से लिखला बेले कि स्टोरी केताले लिखला बेले ये डॉक्यूमेंट आवश्यक बा ये टाइप सॉफ्टवेयर आवश्यक पड़ुचे, कि मल्टीपल मेल अच्छे से मेल गुड़ी को मर्ज करके गोटे लिखापी भी आवश्यक पड़ुची. तुम नोट्स तैयारी करने भी कौन से स्टडी मटेरियल क्रिएट करने तुमको वर्ड प्रोसेस सॉफ्टवेयर आवश्यकता पड़ुची. एंड वर्ड प्रोसेस सॉफ्टवेयर तुम देख कॉलेज, स्कूल, विभिन्न बिजनेस सेक्टर्स रे आम ये वर्ड प्रोसेस सॉफ्टवेयर गुड़ी देखिपर. आम विभिन्न ऑफिस जो नोटिस दिए आउट ऑफिस को कौन से नोटिस गवर्नमेंट दौची फॉर द पब्लिक भी यही वर्ड प्रोसेस सॉफ्टवेयर आवश्यकता रही है. वर्ड प्रोसेस सॉफ्टवेयर केवल आमको गोटे लिखा सुजोग दौचे नुहे, ये प्लाटफॉर्म आमको डिफरेंट डिजाइन करने भी अलाउ करुच्ची. आम पोस्टर्स, बैनर्स, लिफलेट्स, इनविटेशन कार्ड, इनवाइट कार्ड गुड़ाए आम डिजाइन कर वर्ड प्रोसेस सॉफ्टवेयर द्वारा. आम लेटर को बोल्ड कर डिफरेंट फॉन्ट रे यूज कर डिफरेंट साइज भी दे पार्टी, बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज कर टेक्स्ट भी कलर चेंज कर एगुड़ी सब कहले. तो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ वर्ड प्रोसेसर software. I think you can understand that. And now come to the point, this spreadsheet software. Student, here we collect the data, we store the data in the line by line. Okay? In a line by line, you can create different paragraphs in that space. Okay? This kind of format you can develop. This kind of document you can create using the word processor software. But spreadsheet software allows us to store the data, but in different format. That format is the tabular form. The spreadsheet software facilitates to create some document, and in that document you can store your data in a tabular form. That tabular form, what do you mean by that tabular form? Suppose here is the document, and now there are some rows and some columns. Is it a table? And here you can store in your numerical data or as well as any text based data. I mean, text based data store kari pariya or numerical data store kari pariya. But dekho the difference between these two documents. In this case, we can also create a document. We can also create a spreadsheet, or you can say that one worksheet बोली आमे कोई परचंदी जोटी आमे स्टोर करी रखुचंदी आमे गोटे शीट तयार करचंदी that format allows to store or allows to collect some information or your data in a tabular forms. And here it is not tabular form, आमे ताको paragraph wise किछि data store करी रखि पारछंती जोटा कि आमे कहउछंती document बा word processor software को develop करछंती. But this kind of spreadsheet software allows us to create a document, and that document, in that document we can store our some values. That values may be numerical or some alphanumerical values you can store, you can collect in this kind of documents. Okay, and this spreadsheet software is needed particularly what it is. One example I can give in spreadsheet software, that is the Excel sheet. MS Office, in MS Office you can find the Excel sheet. That Excel sheet allows to create such kind of documents, and that document in that document you can store the numerical values. What is the tabular form? What do you mean by table? Table just is the collection of some rows and columns. Table is the collection of some rows and columns. So you can find here it is one row, this part is one row, this is another row, this is another row, ye row, ye part, which one is the vertical part, is the vertical part of this document is known as the column, and horizontal part of that document is known as row. And a collection of these rows and columns create a table, and in that tabular form, in that type of format in this type of format we can store our desired documents. आमे हमर आवश्यकता करथुवा रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट गुडी को आमे या भीतर स्टोर करी रखि परिया, आमे टेबल फॉर्मेट रखि परिया. तो टेबल फॉर्मेट रखिले कौन डिफरेंस कौन पाउछनी ना, टेबल फॉर्मेट is the simplest ways to store the data, and it is easy to retrieve the data as per our requirement. आमे जेतेबेले चाहउछंती सेतेबेले आमे कोन करछंती ए टेबुलर फॉर्मेट रो आमे डाटा को इजीली एक्सट्रैक्ट करि पारछंती. तो डिफरेंस देखो, आमे जते कोन से स्टूडेंट्स रो इन्फॉर्मेशन को स्टोर करि रखिया पय चाहूछि कॉलेज, गोटे स्टूडेंट्स रो कौन से डाटा को कॉलेज स्टोर करि रखिया पय चाहूछि, तन दीटा फॉर्मेट मु तुम बताउछि. आमे गोटे लेखिबा रचना भलिया लेखि चलिबा, जनक ना लिखिले, बापा ना लिखिले, गाँ ना लिखिले, दैट स्टूडेंट्स नेम इज हियर. सपोज स्टूडेंट्स नेम, द स्टूडेंट्स नेम इज XYZ son of RS, and it belongs to some districts. Okay, and its secures mark in matriculation this much, and its parents mobile number is this one. ei bhali भाबरे तळे मे गोटे व्हाट एसे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रे गोटे रचनात्मक भाव रे लेखि चलचंदी, लाइन बाय लाइन गोटे रचनात्मक भाव रे लेखि चलचंदी. सब्जेक्ट की जेमति तमे क्वेश्चन आंसर दियो से भलिया लेखि चलले आमे ठीक अछि, आमे डाटा स्टोर करि रखि चलले. किन जतळे डाटा आवश्यकता पडुथबो ना, पिला मेट्रिक रे केते मार्क रखिछि, ता घर केते, तार केते पेमेंट ड्यू केते मात्रा क्लियर होइछि, केते रहि जी बाकी, ए सब गुडी को जतळे एकेडमिक सेशन बा कोनोसी अकाउंटिंग सेशन ले एटा सब देखा जीवो, सेतबेले कोन ना गोटे पेज को आमे रचना भलिया पढी जीवा पड़छि. तो इट इज नॉट इजी टू एक्सट्रैक्ट द डाटा व्हेन यू नीड. ओके बट जदि आम टेबुलर फॉर्म रे रखि स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करथिबा टेबुलर फॉर्म में रखिथिबा गोटे साइड रे लिखले सीरियल नंबर स्टूडेंट्स नेम फादर्स नेम और गार्डियंस नेम मोबाइल नंबर ड्यूज सिक्योर्ड मार्क इन मैट्रिकुलेशंस एड्रेस ये टाइप रो जदि रखिबा कोन हुए द रोल नंबर भी आम देखि आकिटी इजी आम जते कौन सी एकेडमिक्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रे बा कौन सी अकाउंटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रे आम जब डाटा स्टार्ट करने चाहूँ इजी हम ना नहीं किंतु जो जन को रचनात्मक भाव में गोटे लेखि लेखि चली गोटे पेज एमती गोटे लिखुवा गोटे पैराग्राफ वाइज जो गोटे आम डॉक्यूमेंट क्रिएट करथुवा बोथ सॉफ्टवेयर अलाउज टू स्टोर द डाटा ये भी अलाउ करछि ये अलाउ करछि बट डिफरेंस होछि एट द टाइम ऑफ असेसिंग द डाटा एट द टाइम ऑफ रिट्राइविंग द डाटा एट द टाइम ऑफ गेटिंग द डाटा फ्रॉम द डॉक्यूमेंट इट इज इजी इट इज मोर इजी एज कंपेयर टू वर्ड प्रोसेसर्स ओके सॉफ्टवेयर तो स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर आम कौन कर स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर आमको अलाउज करुच्ची जे किसी डॉक्यूमेंट क्रिएट करने टैबुलर फॉर्म इट ऑल्सो अलाउज यू कैन यूज सम मैथमेटिकल एंड स्टैटिस्टिकल फॉर्मूला एट द टाइम ऑफ क्रिएटिंग द स्प्रेडशीट जिते आम गोटे स्प्रेडशीट क्रिएट कर गोटे पिलाकर ड्यू बाकी अच्छी लास्ट को आम समेसन करने चाहूँगी ये थाए कि फॉर्मूला आमको बेसिकली गोटे किसी कॉमन मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला भी अलाउ करें आम एट ए टाइम कैलकुलेशन करके समेसन बाहर कर दौथुओ ओके जनकर परसेंटेज बाहर करा चाहूँगी गोटे मार्क गोटे पिलाटी कुछ मार्क रखी तार परसेंटेज बाहर कर गोटे आम फुल मार्क देदेले 600 गोटे पिलाटे रखी 200 ऑटोमेटिकली तार परसेंटेज मार्क 50% आसी होथुओ बुझिले ना तेणु स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर नॉट ओनली अलाउज टू स्टोर योर डाटा इन ए टेबुलर फॉर्म इट ऑल्सो facilitates you to do some type of mathematical and statistical operations using this type of spreadsheet software okay and spreadsheet software example I can give you that example is MS Excel it is under the Microsoft that is the MS Excel is the proprietary software and one open source software that the open office ram jauchandi Calc is also a spreadsheet software that is under the open office that is under open office okay and this is under Microsoft Microsoft Excel is also a spreadsheet software and Calc is one type of spreadsheet software but it is free it is under open office it is open source software you can use this Calc without any license clear तो आउ थ डिफरेंशिएट करूची वर्ड प्रोसेसर रे आमे कोनोसी डॉक्यूमेंट को जता पैराग्राफ वाइज स्टोर करी रखुचंती वर्ड प्रोसेसर सॉफ्टवेयर रे स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर रे आमे ताको टैबुलर फॉर्म रे स्टोर करी रखुचंती यू कैन स्टोर द डाटा देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम in both cases you can store the data but problem arises when you are trying to retrieve the data immediately it takes less access time spreadsheet takes the less access time when you access the data from your document from your Excel sheet from your spreadsheet it takes less time and officially it is more familiar officially जदि कौन से डाटा को आम स्टोर कर रखा चाहूँगी then it is more familiar than this clear ये है स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर विषय आम जानिले नेक्स्ट पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर now come to the point here presentation software the presentation software students presentation software is used to present for presentation purpose it means that if you are going to do give some presentations regarding a particular topic like global warming globalization any kind of public interest topic COVID-19 any kind of any kind of topics in your classroom examples in your classroom also it is more beneficial presentation software using that software you can do your presentation you can present something in front of the audience ओके जो आम प्रोजेक्ट विषय कौन से गोटे ऑफिशियली गोटे कौन से बिजनेस हाउस रे प्रोजेक्ट विषय बुझा जाऊँगी क्लाइंट साइड पीपल को एट दैट टाइम दिस प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर इज यूज्ड in classroom example it is very easy for the teaching the presentation software is used and using that presentation software it is easy for the teaching in classroom and तो मैट्रिकुलेस भी देखी हिस्ट्री जोग्राफी गुड़ी जो तो मैट्रिक रे पढ़ाई थे आम से प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर गुड़ी यूज होता है प्रोजेक्टर भी तुम पढ़ाई था आम आउट आम कौन कहते पावर पॉइंट बोली कहते गोटे एग्जांपल आम देखिपर एमएस ऑफिस गोटे रोचे दैट इज पावर पॉइंट आम पावर पॉइंट यूज करके आम प्रेजेंट यही सब किसी जेकोसी गोटे टॉपिक रे you can do a presentations use regarding any topics like internet, computer science, globalizations, global warming, liberalization. What kind of any type of public interest topics you can use, or you can use your you can take your study materials. Okay, at the time of presentation for the teachers point of view जिते आम कौन से गोटे विषय तुमको बुझेबा चाहूँ से पावर पॉइंट यूज करके गोटे स्लाइड आसु गोटे स्लाइड यूजिंग सम स्लाइड्स वी कैन मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड इन बेटर वे दैट्स व्हाई प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर इज नीडेड एंड फॉर योर schools, college at the time of giving some idea about the project to the client side peoples, that's presentation software is used. प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर बेसिकली मुझे तो कहूँ प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर गुड़िक आम कहीं यूज कर प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर गुड़िक यूज करा जाए गोटे प्रेजेंटेशन मु अर्थात मु कौन गोटे उपस्थापना करने चाहते एक्जाक्टली ओडियाटा मुझे कहूँ उपस्थापना जब किसी करने चाहूँगी कौन से टॉपिक उपरे आम जेकोसी टॉपिक तुम नहीं पार तुम रिगार्डिंग योर स्टडीज मटेरियल तुम कहीपर कि रिगार्डिंग सम पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट और प्रिकॉशंस अबाउट द कोविड-19 ये जो गोटे करंट पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट टॉपिक जेकोसी टॉपिक उपरे तो गोटे प्रेजेंटेशन दौरान सामनार स्टूडेंट्स को कह सामनार क्लाइंट को कह सामनार पब्लिक को कह जो कौन सी प्रेजेंटेशन दिया होता है से गोटे गोटे स्लाइड आसुव एवं स्लाइड रे किसी लिखाई रिगार्डिंग दैट टॉपिक एंड गोटे गोटे स्लाइड रे गोटे स्लाइड आसला कि लिखाई विषय में पढ़ी तुमको बुझेली पुणी नेक्स्ट गोटे स्लाइड आसुव कि लिखाई ये गोटे तुम मेट्रिकुलेसन तुम स्कूल तुम पाई ये सब कथा गुड़िक युटा आम प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर गुड़िक यूज कर ये जो पावर पॉइंट इज ऑल्सो ए प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर दैट इज ये क्या अंडर आसूसी ये भी एमएस माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट रे भी आम ये प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर गुड़िक यूज कर ओके एनादर अच्छी आमर ओपन ऑफिस अच्छी गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर दैट इज द नोन एज द इम्प्रेस से सॉफ्टवेयर को आम कौन कहते इम्प्रेस ये भी ओपन सोर्स अंडर रोचे ओपन ऑफिस इट इज ओपन सोर्स प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर Impress is a open source presentation software that comes under the OpenOffice. Okay, and MS PowerPoint is the proprietary presentation software. Using that presentation software, you can also you can attach your audios, videos, some clips, and you can do some animations. It also allows some type of animation, some type of graphics works. ये जो प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर गुड़िक तुमको फैसिलिटेट कर सब तुमको अलाउ करुच्ची एट द टाइम ऑफ डूइंग योर प्रेजेंटेशंस सेतबले खाली जे आम स्लाइड यूज कर नुहे आम कौन से ऑडियो भी या सहित दे पारिया प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर भी ऑडियो अलाउ करुच्ची किसी वीडियो भी अलाउ करुच्ची किसी टाइप ऑफ एनिमेशन भी अलाउ करुच्ची किसी टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ्स अलाउ करुच्ची ओके ये सब कथा गुड़ा हूँ आउ गोटे ये छाड़देली यार यूज आम गोटे चार्ट भी यूज क्रिएट कर यू कैन क्रिएट द चार्ट इन स्प्रेडशीट ओके ये जो प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर गुड़िक ये केवल आमको गोटे क्लिप्स अलाउ करूना कौन से स्लाइड के अलाउ करूना जे प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर तुम ऑडियो वीडियो डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ इमेज ग्राफिक्स एनी काइंड ऑफ ग्राफिक्स वर्क्स this kind of data is also you can use at the time of doing the presentations, and the presentation software is very essential at the time of presentation regarding some topics. Okay, that is the use of a presentation software, and most very popular presentation software is the PowerPoint that comes under the Microsoft And another kind of presentation software is that is the open source presentation software, that is the Impress, and it comes under the Open Office. Next to the point, DBMS. तुम काली भितरे यार नोट गुड़िक सब पाइज कंप्लीट नोट सॉफ्टवेयर पाइज. नेक्स्ट टू द पॉइंट DBMS. ओके स्टूडेंट, DBMS stands for database management system. तो database management system already you know that what is the data and what is database. So here database is a container of the data. The database is a container of the data, and a database is denoted by this symbol. Database is denoted by this symbol, and database, you can say database is the container, database contains the data, okay, and the database is something, database is a concept where you can store the data, you can say, okay. So what is database management system? If there is a container, most of the time this type of container needs the maintenance. And what do you mean by the maintenance? You can store the data here, and as per your requirement you can retrieve the data. And if there is some old data, unnecessary data, unused data is there for a long time, then you can remove that kind of data from this database, that from that type container. And if any kind of data needs changes, then you can do changes on that existing data. You can do any type of modifications on that existing data, and this kind of activities is known as the management. Okay, the management, data management, it means that data management includes storing the data, manipulating the data. Manipulating means updating or doing some changes on the data. That's the manipulating data. And it also allows to remove the unnecessary data from the database. And it needs sometimes is refreshed. You can refresh the database. Okay, this kind of activities is known as the maintenance, and DBMS is one kind of general purpose application software who helps you to do this kind of database management on the database. So database management system is one kind of general purpose software, and it is one type of general purpose application software which allows us to maintain our data on the database. The maintain of the data means inserting the data or storing the data, modifications data, or doing some changes on the existing data, or deleting data, unnecessary data. You can remove the unnecessary data from the database. If you think that some data are there, some old data are there for a long time, that data is not in use, then you can remove that kind of data from the database. This type of activities, insertion, updation, deletion, and retrieving the data as per your requirement, this kind of things is known as the management, data management. And here, to do the data management, one software is here, that software is the database management system. And database management systems allows us, database management system creates a platform. Database management systems facilitates to do such kind of database maintenance activities. Okay. So here, why we need the database? What the necessity of the database? Why we store the database? Suppose at the in present situations we perform one actions, and we provide some raw data to the computer systems, and after that, after some processing, it provides the process data. The final data is fetched out from the computer, and from present scenario, from present situation, that final data, that result is sufficient for us. आम पाई present situation पाई final data ही आम पाई ठीक. किंतु we store that final data, we store that desired information in our computer, because suppose in future you further require that kind of data. If you didn't, जदि तमे ताकू स्टोर करी रथिबो, if you didn't save that kind of final data in your computer, then in your future you will miss this. you will not able to retrieve that type of result, that type of final information from your computer. जदि आम कौन से एक्टिविटीज बर्तमान करूँगी किसी र डाटा देले एवं कंप्यूटर प्रोसेसिंग कर सारा किसी गोटे फाइनल आम इनफर्मेशन पाई आउटपुट जोटा कहते हैं आउटपुट को आम सेव करके रखिले ना जो सेव करके रखिले ना प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन ठीक अच्छे आम इनपुट देले आउटपुट पाइले presently we are satisfied, presently the computer can meet our demand, it's okay. But जो फ्यूचर में आम से डाटा को आउ थे चाहिए चाहूँ जो डाटा को आम क्रिएट करते जो डाटा को आम किसी समय कंप्यूटर भी नहीं प्रोसेसिंग कर सारा पर जो डाटा आम पाई फाइनल डाटा से डाटा को जब भविष्य आम पाइबा चाहूँगी एट दैट टाइम वी कुडंट फाइंड दैट बिकॉज वी डिडंट सेव तेणु वी सेव द डाटा इन आवर डाटाबेस which is very useful for the future reference in future use it is very useful तेणु आम प्रत्येक जिनस को साथ रखा प्रत्येक जिनस को सेव करके रखा फॉर द फ्यूचर यूज तेणु फ्यूचर यूज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दिस डाटाबेस कम्स इन योर माइंड आम मन भितर को कंप्यूटर कनसेप्ट भितर को जो आम डाटाबेस कथा को आसूँ कंप्यूटर कहले कौन बुझाए कंप्यूटर को जनरली आम डाटा को लेकिन ही कंप्यूटर आवश्यकता अच्छी विदाउट डाटा देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ द कंप्यूटर जदि डाटा नहीं देन इज कंप्यूटर आवश्यकता नहीं जदि डाटा अच्छे ताले डाटा को स्टोर कर रखा पड़ो डाटा को स्टोर कर रखा कौटी कौन से गोटे जगह डाटा को स्टोर कर रखा कौन से कंटेनर डाटा को स्टोर कर रखा एंड दैट कंटेनर इज द डाटाबेस यहाँ आम कौन कहते डीबी डाटाबेस और डाटाबेस जो गोटे कंटेनर अच्छी कंटेनर पुणी मेंटेनेंस अच्छी ना नहीं तेणु कंटेनर को मेंटेनेंस करने आउ गोटे सफ्टवेयर आवश्यकता अच्छी एंड दैट सफ्टवेयर इज द डीबीएमएस डाटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम दिस सफ्टवेयर इज द डाटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम तो डाटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम यू कैन से दैट डाटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम इज ए सॉफ्टवेयर व्हिच अलाउज टू क्रिएट ए डाटाबेस to store the data inside the database, to retrieve the data from the database, to remove the unnecessary data from the database, and to do some type of changes on the database. You can create the index triggers, this type of things using the this DBMS database management system. And under the database management system you can find two type of language. One is SQL language, one is PLSQL language. One is SQL and another is PLSQL. SQL is the structure query language and PLSQL is the procedural language extension of SQL. ये जो SQL और PLSQL द्वारा हम कौन SQL द्वारा हम कौन डाटा मैनेजमेंट करते ये जो मुझे कहली इंसर्शन डिलीशन अपडेशन selecting the data by retrieving the data from the database, all kind of user activities can be performed by the SQL structure query language. The structure query language is here to create such type of fundamental concept of the database. SQL language आम कहते structure query language and जो आम गोटे PLSQL जो कहते it is basically to do some type of development of the database, like you can create the cluster, you can create the triggers, okay, you can create the procedures and functions under the DBMS. एटा गोटे आम आगू जते जीवा पढ़िबा से बाबद डिटेल्स पढ़िबा एबे खाली आम जानिथिबा जे एई भली किछ लैंग्वेज को यूज करके डाटाबेस को क्रिएट कर हाइछि SQL एंड PLSQL यूज कर दैट द प्रोसीड्यूरल लैंग्वेज एक्सटेंशन ऑफ SQL. तेणु ये डाटाबेस को मैनेज करिया पय कोन गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर आवश्यकता अछि. दैट सॉफ्टवेयर इज द जनरल पर्पस एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर एंड इट इज नोन एज DBMS डाटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. ओके. And great example of a database management system, very popular example is SQL Server. It is under Microsoft. MS SQL Server. SQL Server is an example of this DBMS, database management system. And Oracle is also a Oracle DBMS. It is also Oracle Corporation, another company जो Microsoft गोटे कंपनी अच्छी. Oracle Corporation गोटे कंपनी अच्छी तार भी गोटे DBMS अच्छी ताको हमें कहते हैं Oracle. And other kind of examples of this DBMS is the DB2. Microsoft रे भी तमरा थाई पर एटा होची Microsoft रे MS Access बोले हमें कहते हैं MS Access एटा होची SQL Server be one type of product of Microsoft, and MS Access is the product of also Microsoft. And another kind of database management system is the PeopleSoft. The PeopleSoft. Okay. These are some examples of DBMS. एगुड़िको SQL Server, Oracle, DB2, MS Office, PeopleSoft एगुड़िको सब आम कौन कहते database management system कहते आम general purpose application software under रखुं. This is used for maintenance purpose of the database. Okay, maintenance कहले कौन बुझिलो. Next जिबा ID. What is ID? The final part of the general purpose application software, ID. ID stands for Integrated Development Environment. ID stands for आम यहाँ लिखी दूसरी कि DBMS को आम कौन कहले database management system. Database management system. Okay, and ID stands for Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment. What is the Integrated Development Environment? Students, at the time of developing a software, the programmer or developer needs one platform, needs some additional softwares. गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर को डेवलप करने प्रोग्रामर आउ किसी additional software ऊपर आवश्यक करूँ. That additional software helps the developer, helps the programmer to develop that software. Develop that कौन गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर को डेवलप करने जो एडिशनल सॉफ्टवेयर गुड़ी आवश्यक करुच्ची से एडिशनल सॉफ्टवेयर कौन कला ताको हेल्प कले गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर को डेवलप करने. दिस एडिशनल सॉफ्टवेयर लाइक डिबगर, कंपाइलर, इंटरप्रेटर, दिस काइंड ऑफ सम सॉफ्टवेयर व्हिच इज वेरी एसेंशियल at the time of developing a new software. And this kind of software is known as developing tools. When one programmer is going to develop a new software, at that time the programmer needs some tools. Using that tool, the programmer can develop a new software easily. You can say that there are some ready-made software which software is helpful at the time of creating a new software, at the time of developing a new software. And this kind of softwares is integrated. This kind of software tools is bundled into a package. Gote package poli hegi thae. That is known as integrated development environment. It means that this kind of development tools creates an environment, creates a platform, and they are integrated with each other. They are bundled with each other. They are bundled and create a package, and that package is known as the IDE, Integrated Development Environment, because IDE allows a platform, IDE allows a environment, IDE allows creates a developing environment. It creates a developing environment where developer feel easy, developer can develop that software, developer can create a new software easily. Okay, for that developer feels the comfort at the time of creating a software. Developer feel the easy, it is easy for the developer or programmer to create a new software or create a न्यू और टू डेवलप ए न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर तो बेसिकली मु कहवाक चाहूँगी जिते गोटे नुआ सॉफ्टवेयर क्रिएट करने को चाहूँगी से डेवलपर छोटिया 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 सॉफ्टवेयर गुड़िकर भी आवश्यकता करुच्ची से गोटे टूल भली काम करे आम जेकोसी गोटे काम करती आम जेकोसी गोटे काम कर गोटे लेटर लिखा चाहते एट दैट टाइम पेपर इज ए टूल एंड आवर पेन इज ए टूल मुझे ये किसी लिखापी चाहूँगी तो यही जो आम टीचिंग एनवायरनमेंट भीतर रही एट द टाइम ऑफ इन दिस सिनारियो ब्लैक बोर्ड इज ए टूल एंड चॉक इज ऑल्सो ए टूल एंड डस्टर इज ऑल्सो ए टूल यही टूल साहाय्य को लेकिन टूल को लेकिन आम कौन गोटे मुझे टीचिंग दूसरी मुझे तुमको ना इट इज नॉट इजी एंड फॉर दिस पर्पज दिस ऑनलाइन क्लास योर मोबाइल इज ए टूल ओके now is mobile is in your mobile is on your hands and that is also a tool for this online class तो टूल कहले कौन बुझाए जो किछि 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 गोटे था कौन टूल प्लेज ए रोल ऑफ ए असिस्टेंट्स जी व्हिच असिस्ट्स अस एट द टाइम ऑफ क्रिएटिंग समथिंग और एट द टाइम ऑफ डेवलपिंग सम टाइम और एट द टाइम ऑफ वर्किंग समथिंग आम तो कौन भी गोटे काम कर जो जो जिनस गुड़िक आम यूज कर दैट इज नोन एज द टूल से भाव में सॉफ्टवेयर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रे सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बा सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर जो कौन गोटे नुआ सॉफ्टवेयर क्रिएट करुच्ची से सी किसी छोटिया 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 सॉफ्टवेयर आवश्यकता करे एंड दैट सॉफ्टवेयर इज नोन एज सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट टूल एंड इंटीग्रेटेड ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर इंटीग्रेटेड कहले कौन बुझाए गोटे बंडल गोटे गैदर हो जाउची इंटीग्रेटेड ऑफ दैट डेवलपिंग टूल्स create an environment and that environment is known as ID integrated development environment is it the example you can take integrated development environment रे आमे नहीं परिवा what text editor one type of okay any kind of example आमे एठी नहीं परिवा so editor okay compiler interpreter okay interpreter debugger helps us to debugger helps us in debugging process कहले कौन बुझाए bug कहले मु तुम कौन कहथिले bug means the error or a defect and debugger or debugging कहले कौन the process of removing the error from your project debugging कहले कौन बुझे ना process of removing the mistakes errors or defects from your project or from your source code आम यहाँ कह एडिटर जो कहते सोर्स कोड एडिटर भी आम कहीपर दिस इज नोन एज द सोर्स कोड एडिटर आम लिखिपर सोर्स कोड खाली एडिटर जो मुझे लिखुची इट इज ऑल्सो नेम्ड एज और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज सोर्स कोड एडिटर आम जो गोटे प्रोग्राम लिखिले आम सोर्स कोड क्या कहते द प्रोग्राम व्हिच इज रिटन इन हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू एज यू नो दैट द प्रोग्रामर व्हिच इज रिटन इन हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज लाइक C++, Java this kind of program is known as the source code and for this purpose for writing and editing for this purpose there must be editor and that editor is known as the source code editor the source code editor is also here a one type of development tool and another kind of development tool is debugger is also a development tool which helps us or which helps the programmer or which helps the developer to do the debugging process it helps the programmer to remove the error from the document from the project from the source code this kind of software is known as the debugger and the debugger comes under the IDE okay and compiler and interpreter तमे या बाबद फेमिलियर हिथिवो आमे जेताले कोनोसी कंपाइलिंग लैंग्वेज को कंपाइलिंग करचंदी बा कंपाइलिंग लैंग्वेज को आमे सोर्स कोड रो ऑब्जेक्ट कोड को कन्वर्ट करचंदी एट दैट टाइम वी नीड द कंपाइलर एंड कोनोसी जदी आमे स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज जदी किछि अछि स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज को जेताले आमे कन्वर्ट करूचंदी सोर्स कोड रो ऑब्जेक्ट कोड को सेताले आमे चाहूचंदी इंटरप्रेटर ऑलरेडी मो तम कहिछि व्हाट इज द सोर्स कोड एंड व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट कोड तथापि एठी मने पकौछि the program which is written in high level language like C++, Java is known as the source code The program in binary language, the program in zeros and ones, the program written only using the 0 and 1 is known as the object code, and the object code is directly understandable by the machine, and the source code is directly understandable by the human being. And here compiler and interpreter acts as a translator who translates this source code to object code, and this kind of tools is known as the development tool, and this tool is very helpful at the time of developing a new software for the developer. The developer generally need this kind of softwares, otherwise without using this kind of softwares, developer can't develop any kind of a new software. Okay, this is known as the IDE or integrated development environment. It is also one type of general purpose application software. The students look at here. The general purpose application software, as you know, application software is here to do some jobs, to do some tasks from the user point of view. To meet the demand of the user, we need the application software, and some kind of application software is generally used. You can see this kind of application software, you can see this kind of uses of this kind of application software in each and everywhere, and in your school, college, office, business house, anywhere you can go, you can find this kind of softwares. That's why this software is known as the general purpose application software. And general purpose application software is here classified into basically 5 types. One is word processor software, one is spreadsheet software, one is presentation software, DBMS and IDE. Here, word processor software allows us to create a document, and within that document we can insert our different kind of text, new numbers. We can design the posters, we can design the banners, we can design the invitations card, we can merge the mails. This is the word processor software. And spreadsheet allows to create a document that is the tabular form document, and for the easy accessing point of view, that this spreadsheet is very essential. You can store your numbers and some kind of characters in a tabular form, that's a collection of rows and columns. Presentation software is useful to present something for your presentations, like you can provide your presentations, you can give your presentations regarding any topics. It may be your public interest topics, maybe any social topics like global warming, globalization, liberations, this kind of social topics you can present. You can present your study materials in front of the students. It is very useful in class education point of view. In schools and colleges, it is very useful software, that is the presentation software. It doesn't allow to present something, it also allows any kind of audios, videos, animations, works, graphics. Presentation software also allows you to do this. And a database management software is one kind of general purpose application software which is needed to maintain your database. And as you know, database is the container where you can store the data, and a database, so we create the database for the future use. Clear? It's about the and the IDE is the integrated development environment, which is very helpful at the time of developing a new software, developing a new software. At the time, developer needs some little small kind of software. I mean small kind of software. There are some basic softwares. On that basic software, users or developers works on that software, and using that software, developer create a new software. And that kind of a basic and fundamental software like a source code editor, compiler, interpreter, and a debugger are the developer tools. And when you integrate that developer tools, when you bundle that developer tools into a package, that package is known as the IDE or integrated development environment. Students, perhaps tomorrow you can get the final note, the complete note on that software, regarding the software. For today's session, this much. Thank you.